The biggest enemy of what you want to achieve is fear. And fear is steady killing everything you want to do more than courage will ever do. Let's get to it after the intro. Okay, so a lot of people come to me and tell me that they are trying to do something. You know, the word trying, as you know, I'm trying to do this, but I've not been able to do it. Okay, when you now engage them to say, okay, what have you tried? Have you tried this? They say, no, I'm yet to try that, but I'm still thinking about it. Have you tried that? Oh, no, yeah, I'm still thinking about it. I'm yet to try that. But I heard that this thing is very hard. This thing is very hard. That is the problem that we have today with almost everybody, you know, having the fear of what someone said, you know, judging your experience based on someone else's experience. This person said when he tried this, it did not work. So yes, I'm also doing the same thing. So I don't know if it will work for me. So please, Chris, advise on what to do. You know, so fear kills more dream than anything. The fear of unknown, the fear of the known. Someone said, Chris, you just have to jump first. The first time. If you jump the first time and you're trying to catch the hook and you don't catch it, at least you know what it means to jump. You can decide, okay, when it's coming again, I'll further plan myself. And if you try to jump again and still don't catch it, at least you can tell someone else how to jump and how to, you know, catch it. If you can't catch it by yourself, you can catch it with people. So I had a couple of friends that said, okay, yes, we want to start a business, but we don't know how to start. And this one does not have enough money. That one does not have enough money. This one does not have enough money. So I said, why not you guys come together and do that one business, the person's business that you feel like, okay, this one will generate us money on time. Let every one of you focus on that, work on it, and the proceeds from that, you can start, you know, sharing one after the other to actually fund for every other person's dream. But because people are always afraid of, what if I give my money to this? What if my money does not come? What will I eat tomorrow if I let go of this money today? And that is the biggest enemy. That is exactly what I mean by fear. Oh, yes, I want to take a course from Krizbeatz Music Academy, but what do I eat tomorrow? You know, there's always a thing called sacrifice. Like I said in the last video, there's always a thing called sacrifice. There's always a place of risks. There's always a place of risk. There's always a place of risk management where you feel like, okay, yes, if this thing happens, then I'm left with this option. Remember the video I made? I said I was planning to come to Lagos, that yes, if I come to Lagos and my music career works, fine. If my music career does not work, then I'll probably be in my mother or father's house eating till my music career works, you know. But I took the leap of faith without thinking of the downsides. You know, I'm not thinking about, coming to a new state where you know nobody, you have nobody, and it would have been a disaster. But guess what? It will be a disaster that I made. The pain of regret is more than the pain of trying and failing. You know, if you tried something, let's say you want to be a musician, you had a dream that you are going to be the next Wizkid, and you did not do anything. You did not make a move. You did not even record a song. The pain later, when you can no longer do those things, the pain later will be more than the pain of, oh, I tried, I made music, I promoted it, I did all this, but it didn't work out, you know. And it didn't work out if you genuinely, I can tell you for a fact that if you genuinely can sing and music is your talent and you are working on your music day in, day out, focusing on the music, trying to learn one thing or the other, I can tell you that 120% you will be successful in music, except you are not doing it wholeheartedly. You are talented, bro. Leave talent out of it. You know a little bit about the music. You can quickly move. You are easy with the flow. You can move through the trends, and you are able to listen to professionals. You are able to seek advices. You are able to put yourself out there the way you want to. you will be successful in the music, whether the music likes it or not. The music is an energy. I've always said this thing over and over. The music is an energy. It listens to energy. Why do you think the people that are trending, topping in the music industry right now are not the ones with the most talent, but the ones with the most energy, the ones that are ready to give themselves to the music, that, you know what, will do this, get rich here or die trying. So fear is the thing that is keeping you, see, and fear can be in different forms. Okay, why are you not taking the course that can elevate your music? I don't have money because I'm keeping this money for so and so thing. That is fear in another way. Anything that you are not guaranteed of the outcome, it is fear. To you, the guarantee should always be there. What do I want to do? What am I looking at before the end? Or what am I doing on YouTube? I'm looking at this YouTube growing to the point where we're talking about millions of subscribers. I'm looking at the academy growing to the point where we're talking of millions of students. I'm looking at all those things, And what am I doing every day to ensure I'm doing that? I'm ensuring that the current students that we have right now are talking and experiencing the school the best way they can. They are learning directly from me. And I'm also putting in extra work. Go to my music, for instance. I have a music I'm putting out with Fave in a couple of weeks. I have a music that is out right now with Skills that I'm promoting. I have a dance we're doing on TikTok and everything. And I am putting in the effort, even though sometimes I post those things and the algorithm is against it, because the algorithm feels like, oh yes, you do more of this talking video. So whenever I do like a talking videos on TikTok and on Instagram, it goes, people see it, and then whenever I do like the dance, trying to promote my song, is hard for them. So I stopped doing the talking thing and push more of the things that I feel like they work on those platforms. And if anybody wants to hear me talk, they can come on YouTube and they will see it. I don't treat every social media platform the same. I treat them separately from each other. Oh, this one has this audience, this one has that audience. So that is exactly what you need to do. You need to break that fear. You need to break the fear of the unknown. You've not even tried it. I've seen people who are so talented, but I know I cannot invest in this person because this person is too afraid to move. And it's constantly in the moving. If you cannot move, if you cannot say, okay, yes, I don't know what this result is going to be, but let's get it. I flew in an artist from Uganda to come to Nigeria to shoot a song I just made with Fave, and we shot a video a couple of days ago. I don't know when you'll be seeing this video, but this is like the 6th of August, and we shot the video last 2 nights ago, and flew the artist all the way here, paid for everything just to get the artist here for a song that I want to shoot, that I'm not even sure if the song is going to yield return, if the song is going to blow. Of course, I know the song will blow, but I'm just telling you that sometimes we do things without being sure of what the result will be, but we do it still, because if you don't take a step, nobody. If you want to carry a child, the child has to raise the arm for you to say, oh, come here, you want me to carry you. So that is exactly what we do. The child is raising the arm in hope that, oh, yes, this person, this man, this woman, this whatever will carry me. So that is exactly how it is. You need to be able to let go of your fear. And this fear I'm talking about happens to people who maybe you've started a family and you also make music. So it's hard for them. They overthink everything. You want me to spend this money on music when my child's school fees is coming? Of course, I'm not saying spend your child's school fees on don't spend your child's school fees. Don't spend your rent. You need to be able to do those things. But there's always a room for little risks here and there. You need to be able to say, okay, you know what, let me try this. It works. Of course, positively. Don't say, oh, Chris said I should take risk. Then you want to go and rob a bank. And then you now say, oh, he said I should take risk. I'm not saying take stupid risks. I'm saying take risk that you can control. Remember, I said you can even have a risk management where you say, okay, is that this or that? Like I said, for me, is that coming to Lagos or make it as a music producer? Or I'll go to my mom's house and be eating her food till I'm on my feet again, And That was the plan for me. And I was able to also, come help myself. That will help me to say, okay, yes, I'm coming here full on. It was just at the back of my mind that, okay, if it does not work, but there was no if, because I was already giving my all to what I have now. Do you understand? So, yes, let go of the fear. Remove the fear factor from everything you are doing. Take the fear away, and you will be surprised at how you will be able to see the light of what you are doing, to see the light, to be able to get yourself soaked in the music. And yes, with that said, I hope I was able to explain to you why not to fear to just start doing things. Don't be scared to send a DM. Don't be scared to send DMs to anybody. The fear comes in different shapes and sizes. So get rid of all types of fear. Say to yourself, anytime you notice something that is not allowing you to do what you need to do, say this is fear. Some people have the fear of posting because they feel like people will not like it. Oh, you're a music producer, you make content, you don't make content. Oh, I make content, but I don't put them out because people might not like it. Yo, fuck these people. You don't care about these people. You care about you. Put it out first for you. I told you I have 200,000 subscribers. Sometimes I post and the algorithm will only show me 4 comments, 5 comments. And I am still doing it because whether the algorithm likes it or not, this is me. This is what I want to do. And I have to conquer you, not me. I conquer you. You will not conquer me, So that is exactly how it is. So if this is your first time, like, subscribe. This is not the only type of thing we talk on this channel. We talk about music. We talk about everything that is related to music. But I also like to talk about this type of thing to help my people get a better understanding of what life is, on what life can actually be, and also make sure that you become a better human being for yourself, not just for yourself, for you and for your environment and for the people around you. So yes, like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you in the next video. Love.